Good day, ma'am. I'm Jomar Banaag from BET Auto 3G. I'm here to present my essay about interactive English. Number 1 question. How has the interactive English impacted to your language learning journey? It affected me to improve my knowledge about language learning because here in interactive English, it is taught how or what is the importance of language in our daily life. It helped me to socialize with the people around me. They offer engaging ways to practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing skill, providing immediate feedback and personalized learning paths tailored to individual needs. Interactive English can make more accessible, enjoyable, and effective. Number 2 question. Reflect on how interactive English has influenced your confidence in speaking and communicating in English. Because of the interactive English, I learned how to do when it comes to public speaking or any kind of speaking that has an audience. This will increase my self-confidence because I already have a background knowledge on how to speak properly in the front of the audience, engaging conversation, understanding, and providing expose have all contribute to refining my language skill. Continuous practice and exposure to different contexts have been instrumental in improving my confidence in speaking and communicating effectively in English.